sauce you'd like. I'm going to place this on top of the chicken breast, like so. So a very key component to puree foods is obviously saucing it. Saucing it as you would a normal dish. Whatever dish you have, chicken marsala, chicken francaise, chicken parm, you want that sauce to go with it. It doesn't have to be gravy with everything. And we can't do mozzarella, so what we did was that we made a Parmesan cream, and we strained it, we thickened it, and we use Simply Thick gel, and we'll go over that in another video. And now we're going to put just a little bit on top, and it's going to mimic a little mozzarella on top. So this is an easy dish you can do at home, very easy. In the food service area, we would then also kind of have a little fun, and we do a little, normally you would have a chopped basil or chopped parsley as a garnish. Here we turn that into an oil, so this would be a basil oil, and we just gently drizzle around to give you a nice presentation. You can have all kinds of fun with this and do whatever you like.